Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is rising temperature. We have a table weather with the ID, record date and temperature, and we need to write a solution to find all dates ID with higher temperatures compared to its previous dates. We have ID 2, and if we look at the table, the temperature is 25, which is higher than the previous day. ID 4, the temperature is 30, which is higher than the previous day. Since we have only one table, we need to self-join and compare today's temperature with the previous day's temperature. In SQL, the most efficient way to compare a row with another is using a self-join. We write a select statement and we join the weather table with itself. Now the question is, how do we join these tables? On which column? We take the record date from both weather 2 and weather 1, and we use the DATEDIFF function to ensure that the record date from the weather 1 table is today and the record date column from the weather 2 table is yesterday. So the difference between these two record dates is just one day. We also need the condition here. We want to make sure that the temperature from today, so our weather 1 table corresponds to today, is larger than the temperature from weather 2 table, which is from yesterday. In the select statement, we need only one column, and we will take this column from weather 1 table. Let's run the query. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. First, what we're gonna do in Pandas is to sort the values by date to ensure chronological order. We take the data frame weather and we use the function sort values. We will sort them by record date. Now we need to calculate the difference in temperature and date between rows. We take the weather data frame and first we calculate the difference in the column temperature. The diff function here subtracts the previous row from the current row. If we are here, for example, the diff function subtracts 10 from 25. We will save this into temp difference. The same we will do to the record date. This will be our time difference. In addition, we need date time days to ensure we calculate the days. And the last step, we filter rows where temperature increased and the date difference is exactly 1 day. We need the data frame weather, and here we will need two conditions. First condition, our temperature difference must be larger than 0 because we want today's temperature to be larger than yesterday's temperature. And at the same time, with AND operator, the second condition is time difference should be exactly 1 because we want only 1 day difference between today and yesterday. This is our result, and now we are ready to return the result. We need to display only one column called ID. Let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Self-join in SQL or using the diff function and filtering in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.